What is up, everybody? It is Brian with First Shot Tactical, back with another video for you here today. And today we are going to be installing this Cross Armory 3-piece pin set for a Glock 19 Gen 4. All it is this pin, this pin, and this pin we're going to be replacing. But figured I'd do a quick video for you guys if you're looking to do this as well. Good way to add a little accent color to your Glock or your gun. So with that, let's go ahead and get into it. All right, got our pieces out here. Next, let's go ahead and get the gun apart. Obviously, make sure it's clear, good to go. Take it apart. And we can set the slide aside here. And then now all we're gonna need is a punch or some kind of tool like this. And we're gonna go ahead and punch these pieces out and replace them with the red ones. To do this, if you have some kind of non-marring mat, that's nice, but I normally just set the frame right on the slide like this, and then just go ahead and push these through. Also, for all these new pins, I always like to just take some Rem oil or any kind of lubricant and just kind of lube them up. That'll help them go in and seat better. So if you have some, use it. If not, no worries. All right, with it lubed up, we want to make sure and put this back in the way it came. So I'm going to put it in through this side, push it through, make sure it gets on top of that spring there. There we go. And now we got our first pin done. All right, next up, let's go ahead and knock this big one out here. And this is normally the most difficult one. So again, we're just gonna set it here. And to do this, you just gotta kind of push it with your punch and fiddle with the slide lock. So I'll try and do it here for you. Push, and then pull the slide lock up, and just like that, it came right up. So again, push through and pulled that up a little bit, and it came right out. So just note, once you pull that out, this piece may come free, your slide lock or slide release. So just make sure and put it back in the right slot that it's supposed to go in. It's all the way on the left here, and as well as your whole trigger components there. You can see we just want to try and line up that hole, hold that in place, and then we'll grab our new piece here, a red one or whatever color you have, and we're just going to put it back in the same way it came out. And again, you just got to kind of fiddle with this a bit till you get it. Once you do, you should be good to go. All right, we got those two, just one left on the back piece here. And this one's the easiest of them. So again, just take your punch it out. Maybe grab a smaller punch here because that one was too big. There you go. And that piece is out now. Cross Armory gives you two pieces here. In case you use back straps, they have a longer one. And if you don't, like I'm not, you can use the smaller one. So just a heads up there. That's why you have an extra piece. But I'm just going to be installing the smaller one here. Same thing, flip it over, put it back the way it came out, wiggle it in, and that one you can almost just do with your finger. Then I'm going to grab your punch. You shouldn't use metal on metal here, probably ruin the finish, but if you have something else, do that. But it looks all right for me. There we go. Make sure it's centered, which that is not. Go back a little bit. And close enough for me. And there you go. Now you got the back one in. All right, look at that. Looks awesome. So now all you got to do is put your gun back together, take your slide, function check it, make sure it works. Looks good and awesome. I mean, it's three small pieces, but I think it's a pretty cool accent, especially with my red trigger here, just to give the gun a little better look. So if you guys have questions, let me know in the comments. Always happy to help. And if this was helpful, like and subscribe to the channel. Got a bunch of other videos for you guys to check out. And as always, have fun shooting, and we'll see you next time. Thanks, everybody.